word is like a material slot. I say thanks all the time, but I don't hear it a lot. The attributes are off balance, so everything's a challenge. I hate my own voice, but the lyrics are hot, I guess. I make a record that I love so much, but the DJs that spin up in the clubs don't touch. I make a song that takes 20 minutes to write, and that'll be the hit of my life. So I swore to give it all every time I'm out gripping the mic, cause rap critics so particular like. We all knew the card, no sin is to bite. It must be opposite life, cause it seems like stealing is tight. Mama told me them dreams don't pay the rent, and if it ain't making a buck, it ain't making sense. That's why she never understood me going to arcades, taking a bucket of tokens and playing all day, with nothing to show but blisters and calluses. But it truly prepared me for life's challenges. Rappers on Facebook, all they do is boast, doing nothing at the same time doing the most. Younger dudes say my story is inspiring, they think it's easy and sometimes I wanna lie to them, but the truth is it's the hardest thing I ever done. Yo, I just make it look like fun. Dragon Spirit.
I'm young and unsigned, my world's a tough grind. Wish I could take my pain, put it all in one line. No Def Jam, no alumni. They act like it's smooth sailing till their river runs dry. I've been rapping since junior high in my lunch line, perfecting punchlines, finding styles to combine. Since then, I never had time to unwind. When I reign in this game, that storm ain't gonna subside. I bumped Thug Life when I was in 4th grade. By 5th grade, I was writing lyrics all day. Teachers told my mom it would be a short phase, and I drop it like Lego blocks and board games. Nothing changed, over 10 years passed by. Scratch that, a lot has changed, yo, I can't lie. I'll be in Dublin, listening to bagpipes, saying I just did a show in London like last night. When I get home, they'll all act like I made it. My credit card is maxed, I can barely make a payment. When I get home, they'll all act like I'm famous. I tell them they're mistaken, but my pride won't let me say it. I feel like I'm alone, but I get love from the greatest. So I find myself praying on a day-to-day basis. What one cat'll do is truly amazing, just for a couple dollars and a song on your playlist.
Yeah, check it out, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Yeah. Paint the sky, blue. It's like, mama, I got dreams, but dreams won't keep the lights on. That used to be my fight song, bumping Lil Brother, job hunting with my Nike on, trying to make a nice song in my head, daydreaming, wishing I was living it instead. I was led by cartoons and games to write, for open mics, getting mad cause my name ain't right on the list. But kiss the sky cause I'm alive, could've compromised the lives, but I chose to strive with knives in my back. Yet I learned from the scars, they a part of the journey in which defines who you are. I want it like a child throwing a fit, but I'm maturing over time, guess I'm growing a bit. The fire inside, determination shows without bragging. Feel the heat when I spit. Now that's the spirit of a dragon. Yeah, now that's the spirit of a dragon. Yeah, now that's the spirit of a dragon.